Hello, this is Mayor Dan Reiman with a health advisory and public service announcement from the Borough of Carteret.
As of today, over 65,000 New Jersey residents have tested positive for the coronavirus, including 6,000 in Middlesex County and 280 people here in Carteret. State and county health department officials have advised us today that sadly over 2,400 residents have passed away statewide, including 5 residents of Carteret who contracted COVID-19. While many of those who have passed had other underlying health issues, the deaths can be attributed to complications from or caused by the coronavirus. Remember, experts say that over 80% of those who carry the virus will be asymptomatic, meaning they may not know they're sick and they won't show any signs of illness, and they won't necessarily know they're a carrier. That's why it's so important to protect yourself and your family and to work under the assumption that everyone is a carrier or has coronavirus. We need to take all precautions to social distance, to avoid personal contact, to wash your hands frequently, and to wear a face mask, cloth, fabric, bandana, or scarf to cover your mouth and nose when in public, and especially when entering a food store or retail establishment. This is not just a recommendation. It's now enforceable by law. Remember, if you develop any symptoms such as a dry cough, joint pain, fever, or sore throat, you need to quarantine yourself immediately and contact your healthcare provider to arrange for a possible test. The Middlesex County drive-through testing facility is open on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays from 10 a.m. until 2 p.m. You must be a resident of the county and exhibit symptoms or have a doctor's prescription. To make an appointment, you can visit middlesexcountynj.gov. Today, Middlesex County officials announced that Rutgers University has partnered with Accurate Diagnostic Labs and RWJ Barnabas Health to introduce a new FDA-approved saliva test, which can provide results within 1 to 2 days. This new test and procedure could potentially test up to 10,000 residents per day at the county testing facility. You can register at middlesexcountynj.gov/COVID-19 testing. I can't stress enough how important it is to stay home and to avoid contact with others. If you do have to venture outside, you must wear a covering over your mouth and nose. The U.S. Centers for Disease Control released a short video on how to make a face covering from common materials found at your home. You can find this video online, on YouTube, or even at Carteret.net. If you have any questions or complaints about how a business is handling the quarantine, you can call the state hotline at 211 or visit covid19.nj.gov. You can also email us at info@carteret.net so we can share your concerns with the appropriate county department or state officials.
This has been Mayor Dan Reiman with a public service announcement from the Borough of Carteret.